Hello everybody, I am here today to unbox this Barbie Extra Fancy, and it is this doll. I have had her for a while now, and I know she is in some stores like cheap to get, so let's see if she is worth the price. She's now like in down to like 20 euros in Finland where I got her. I still don't have this one. I don't have she's cute, so I will unbox her and let's see if she's worth price now. So okay, so I will unbox this doll, and I really think she has this like a really beautiful face. It's like this almost like mermaid kind of face. I think she's so pretty. I really don't want to destroy the box, but it's completely impossible not to. So oh. Okay. Okay, so okay. These Barbie Extra dolls, they have been discontinued for like a while now. They're not making any more. They're just selling out the ones they got, and some people don't like them really, but I really like these because they have lots of nice colors and like more fantasy, like kind of. I really like them. I like them. So that's why, of course, I don't like them all, maybe, but the ones I have, I bought the ones I think are like more colorful and pretty, like so. Okay. Hey, look, it's my dog running around. This skirt is I'm not sure. It's plastic. It's just, you can see it here. That's not great. It's like a shower curtain or something. Like some other collectors said, it's like Granny's old shower curtain. But it's not ugly, but it's like pure plastic, like this, and I'm not sure. Okay, but anyways. No, I dropped something. Oh, I dropped the little animal. Okay. I really, really love the hair. I really love the hair. Amazing. Oh my god. I hope I didn't destroy anything. Okay. God, I really couldn't get her, like, the hair loose. And her hair is wonderful. Look. Oh, it's even prettier with these braids like here. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Oh. I hope I didn't break anything, because it was so hard to get her loose. Let's see. Oh. I really do like her face. I like her colors. She has like the more curvy body, I think, yes. And even though the dress isn't perfect, like she has like jeans on, or is it tights or something? It looks like jeans, but pants on, and you can take them off. This is the shower curtain off, and like that. You can just take it off like that, and she has these tights on, but they are like patterned like almost like jeans, and she has like this. This is how you open it. It's really nice pants. The pants are really nice, and the shoes are this classic kind of Barbie high heel shoes. And they're easy just this rose handbag and bracelet of a flower top. Also able to open like this, and I really get these mermaid vibes with her face, with her hair especially, because the hair is so stunning. I really love the colors. The colors are amazing, really nice colors to her. Okay, and this is like the pet. Is it a cat? Looks like a cat. Lots of rubber bands around her. That's a cute cat. It looks like almost like it's like a see-through kind of blue. Look at that cat. It's really cute. It's a cute cat. And glasses for the cat, like pineapple glasses. These. It's really cute. Okay. The cat with the glasses. Like cute. Okay. She is so beautiful. This is absolutely one of my of the modern Barbie dolls I have. This is one of the most beautiful. Like I really love her face and everything. She is so beautiful. I'm stunned. I think she's stunning. I think she's so beautiful. Glasses. What is this? Is like another kind of handbag or something? I'm not sure. Like this is really. It's like a clutch handbag, maybe like a clutch. No, like you can wear like that kind of handbag. And here's another necklace. She has lots of gold on her. I really like that. I like that. I like the gold. What's this? It's like an orange or gold. Or... Okay, it's orange and gold, like bracelet, I think. I'm not sure. Okay. Really, they could actually just put a bracelet on her. You wouldn't have to package it like that, but okay. They have to make it look like she has like 1,000 accessories or something, but it's like they could have just put them on her actually. Stupid. Okay, what's this? It's like a bracelet of some kind. Okay. Okay. I really think she is very, very beautiful. I love this Barbie doll. She's very beautiful. She has this super nice, calming face. I mean, like, she has like this calm look over her. She looks so what should I say? Like she's been meditating or something. She looks so calm and so beautiful and everything. And the bracelets are beautiful too. You know, they are really. And the clutch is like, I have never seen a Barbie clutch like this. Like she's been able to hold to. No, I don't know what it's with. My English today isn't very good. Okay, and the cat is really cute. The cat is cute. It's cute. Super cute cat. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe so I can grow my channel. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.